My name is Michelle Heck. I am 26 years old and Managing Director of Heck Caravan and Reisemobile. Heck Caravan and Reisemobile is a family-run company. We have been selling motorhomes, vans and caravans for almost 30 years. The company has continued to grow and the departments have expanded and become somewhat more distinct. I have a program that guides me from start to finish. This means I can't forget any steps. I always have the option to retrieve everything I want to retrieve and also to evaluate what I want to evaluate. Of course, the big growth also requires that not only we, but also the processes grow with it. Caravan.One is actually used in all areas. The good thing is that we have the unique data collection at the very beginning of a master dataset, and actually every process that has taken place in the company can be tracked on this master dataset. We chose init Consulting because it was a partnership of equals from the outset. We described our problems and found a partner who was not afraid of solving these problems, but said, "That's exactly where I want to help you." This willingness and commitment to say, we will find something that is exactly right for this industry, which doesn't even exist yet, was what made us say that this is the right partner.